Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Calculus Guide. In this series we explore limits, derivatives and integrals step by step, like a dictionary of rules. Each lesson of this series focuses on a group of related functions. And in this lesson we will see how to differentiate some reciprocal functions 1 over x, 1 over x squared, 1 over x cubed, 1 over x to the 4 and 1 over x to the 5. Firstly, to take the derivative of a reciprocal function, we first rewrite it as a power function. And after writing them as power functions, we will use the derivative rules of power functions. Firstly, for the function 1 over x, let's take it. Our first function is 1 over x. We will write it as a power function, and this will be equal to x to the minus 1. And when we take the derivative of power functions, we take the exponent as coefficient and then take the minus 1 as multiplication, minus 1 times, and secondly we subtract 1 from the exponent, minus 1 minus 1, and this will be equal to minus 1 times x to minus 2, and this is equal to minus 1 over x squared. Our second function was 1 over x squared. Firstly, we will rewrite it as a power function, and this is equal to x to the power of minus 2. And in order to take the derivative of this, we will write the exponent as multiplication, and this will be equal to minus 2 times x to minus 2 and subtract 1 from the exponent, and this will be equal to minus 2 times x to power of minus 3, and this is equal to minus 2 over x cubed. Our next example was 1 over x cubed. We will use the same rule. Firstly, we will rewrite the function as power function, and this is equal to x to the power of minus 3. And after that, in order to take the derivative, firstly, we will write the exponent as multiplication, minus 3 times, and then subtract 1 from the exponent, and this will be equal to minus 3 times x to the power of minus 4, and we can write it as minus 3 over x to the 4. Okay, next example was 1 over x to the 4, and again the same rule. We rewrite the function as a power function, and this is equal to x to the power of minus 4, and while taking the derivative, we will take the exponent here as multiplication, minus 4 times x to minus 4, and subtract 1 from the exponent, and this will be equal to minus 4 times x to the power of minus 5, and we can write it as minus 4 over x to the 5, and the derivative is this. And the next question was 1 over x to the 5. Again the same rule. We will write this function as power function, x to the minus 5, and we will take to take the derivative, we will take the exponent here as multiplication, minus 5 times, then subtract 1 from the exponent, and this will be equal to minus 5 times x to the power of minus 6, and this can be written as minus 5 over x to the 6, and this was our next example. See you on the next video.